So guys, Governor Otti wants United States to support Abia rebuild economy. Abia State Governor Dr. Alex Otti, OFR, has called on the United States government to assist his administration in its efforts to rebuild the economy of the state. Governor Otti said the American government can support the rebuilding of the economy of Abia State by promoting trade, investments, and playing in other areas of interest. The governor spoke on Wednesday when he received the political and economic section chief of the U.S. consulate in Lagos, Mr. Mike Evan, who was in Abia on a working visit with his team. So guys, Governor Otti, who took time to bring the US diplomats up to speed with the performance of his government in the last 8 months in office, also highlighted a number of challenges confronting the state, especially the business sector. He enumerated poor power supply, difficulties in accessing credits, unavailable logistics support in the area of digital economy, among others, as some of the issues businesses in Abia have continued to deal with. So guys, Governor Otti said that with over 50,000 individual shoe producers, a large army of entrepreneurs engaged in garment productions, leather works, and various other small and medium enterprises and manufacturing concerns, Abia prides itself as a major trading and industrial hub in Nigeria. He regretted that the state has suffered setbacks in the past due to infrastructural decay, culminating in the shutdown or relocation of many businesses. So guys, he noted that some of the businesses that had relocated are gradually returning, as his administration had in the last 8 months embarked on the upgrade of critical infrastructure and sanitizing the environment to allow for the ease of doing business. So guys, in the past, you all know that they have suffered quite some setbacks because of infrastructural decay. You really cannot do much when infrastructure is not there. That was why when they came, they started pursuing the rehabilitation of infrastructure, in particular roads, drainage, not forgetting security. And in the last 8 months, they have been able to fix many roads in Aba, which is also the industrial and trading hub of Abia State. So guys, Elvin told Governor Otti that the US consulate in Lagos covers the 17 states of Nigeria, adding that their mission was to seek ways to expand bilateral trade and investments and ensure prosperity between the United States and Nigeria. As you all know, in the US consulate in Lagos, they cover the 17 southern states, and their top job, more than any other, is to seek ways to expand bilateral trade and investments and expand shared property between our people. So guys, you all know that our people share a long history of partnership, and that was highlighted by the visit of our Secretary of State, Anthony Blinken, in Nigeria a couple of weeks ago, where he spoke very eloquently and strongly on the significance and importance of US-Nigerian bilateral relationship, and our desire is to seek ways of expanding the relationship to build prosperity for our people. That was what Elvin said. He also thanked God for Governor Otti for opening the doors of Abia State to them to talk about ways they can find opportunities to build shared property for their people, adding, this is one message Secretary Blinken has been taking around the world. The Commissioner for Trade, Commerce and Industry, Dr. Chiemezie Ukebu, Senior Special Assistant to the Governor on Digital Economy, Chibozo Elizabeth Chijioke, and the technical assistant to the governor, Charles Egon, were present at the meeting with the American diplomats. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and drop your comments below. See you in the next video.